Found another weed. Gotta pull it. Oh, very good. Too late now.
First.
Now get the weed. Pull the weed. Pull the weed out. Good boy. Get the weed. Good boy.
Come on, Cruz. Hey.
Cruz, wanna pull the weeds? Come here, Cruz. Cruz. Pull the weeds. I'll loosen them up. You pull them. Pull the weeds. I'll pull them. Get them weeds out of there. Get them weeds. I'll pull them. Pull the weeds. I get them. Get the weeds. Now, good boy. Get the weeds out. Now pull them. Good boy. Alright, good boy. Pull the weeds. Now pull them. Get more. Pull the weeds out. Good boy. Good boy. Now get them. Pull the weeds. Good boy. Look at all those weeds you got. Yeah. Pull them out. There's one. Right here. Pull the weed. Good boy. Good boy. I'll loosen this one up. Here. Here's one. Get that one. Pull that one out. Good boy. Another one. Actually, might not even be weeds. These might be these turnip greens or something coming back. This was old burn spot.